Hi, I'm Lee, and if you're thinking about transforming your garden, then adding some raised beds is a great place to start. I'm here today to show you how to make one of these brilliant WoodBlocX raised bed planters. The best thing about these is, all you need is a hammer to knock the blocks together. There's no drilling, no sawing, no nails, no screws. All you do is knock the blocks together, layer by layer. The blocks come in 5 different sizes and they're all pressure treated, which makes them really hard wearing. As well as raised beds, you can also build retaining walls, curbing, steps, and anything else to landscape your garden. The team at WoodBlocX also offer a free design service, so you can get a bespoke solution made up to fit your garden perfectly. Raised beds can be built on all sorts of surfaces, not only grass and soil. Even if you have tarmac or a paved driveway, a couple of raised beds can bring your space to life. So your kit will arrive looking something like this. You'll have all the components you need, plus your step-by-step instructions. The team at WoodBlocX can get your order to you in 3 to 4 working days, and you can even choose when you want it to be delivered, even on a Saturday. The key to a successful build is making sure that the foundations are right. Start by measuring out the area where you want the raised bed to go. Then, make sure that it's as flat as possible. I've got some builder's sand here which is really useful. Make sure it's all compacted down and you're good to go. Now we can start laying out the blocks. Using the instructions, lay out the bottom layer. Make sure you've got the recessed side of the blocks facing up. Then you can start popping down the dowels and use the dowel protector to start knocking them in. As you build the blocks layer by layer, make sure you follow the instructions closely. The blocks should overlap like this, and this is what gives WoodBlocX their unique strength and durability. The dowels and the wedges are really clever. When they're knocked into place, they expand horizontally, which secures the blocks. This will make sure that the blocks are solid for years to come. If you're working on a bigger build, like a retaining wall, you will have to include a buttress every 1.5 metres. This is where the WoodBlocX free design service comes in handy. The team can make sure your design not only fits perfectly, but is also going to be safe and secure. The corners of the WoodBlocX raised beds is one of the strongest areas, which isn't the case with some other similar products. What you'll need is a 3 dowels and an angle plate on the final layer for extra strength. It's easy. When you're on the final layer of your build, it's time to start cutting your dowels halfway down. If you look on the dowel halfway through, you'll see where. And if you're thinking about how to cut them, use a dowel cutter. Once you've done this, it's then time to do your capping. The capping all comes pre-cut, so just check your instructions, then fit the full lengths of capping starting at one end, use a block of wood to protect the capping and then just hammer it into place. And there it is, a hard-wearing, easy accessible raised bed ready to be filled up with soil for all your beautiful plants and veg.